Welcome to Create Momentum for Positive Mindset. Today, my guest is Ilsa Shehzad. Ilsa Shehzad is becoming a doctor. She's an influencer and public speaker. How are you today?
I'm good. What about you?
I am all good.
Mr.
Thank you very much for contacting me back. So I wanted to speak with you a long time back, but sometimes people don't have a time. They're busy in their schedule or work. So that's what happened.
Yeah, it did. But finally, I'm glad we had this rescheduling done again. And now we're here with another podcast with you, with Sir Shehzad. So, sir, I'm going to ask some questions about your professional life first.
Of course, go ahead.
So tell me, I'm a little new in this cryptocurrency and all that stuff, although I really promote it. A lot of people from my Balochistan, I live basically in Quetta, Balochistan. A lot of people are earning from cryptocurrency, freelancing, Bitcoin, and all that stuff. It fascinates me about that. And I want to know, how is that even possible? Like the works of Amazon, the works of freelancing, the e-commerce. Can you please specify?
Okay. Number one thing, as you know, cryptocurrency is a digital currency. So it's work like a decentralization. Plus, it work in a blockchain. Blockchain is like, example, if there is a three computer, they're connected to each other. So everybody see, let's say I bought a Bitcoin, so there will be a code which where I bought it on an exchange. It will show that, and it will be on my wallet. You can have wallet like a ledger. It's like a USB. You put it in your laptop. You can save it there, or you can use different exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. There is so many different exchanges you can use. But I don't know, it's still in Pakistan, the cryptocurrency is going on and government doesn't have any objection.
Yeah, there was a ban previously, then it got lifted, and then again it's banned, and it's going to be fluctuated for a year or so. But I want to know about that e-learning, e-commerce. What is that? Is there any difference between e-commerce and Bitcoin?
E-commerce is completely a different thing. Like Amazon. Amazon is a website where different sellers are there. They're selling their goods and stock on Amazon. So you can, let's say you launch Balochi clothes, for example.
Yeah.
So people will order you on your website. So they will pay you, and then you will post them, or you have to do cargo different places, or you're sending it for a different part of the world, like America. Somebody requested you, I need this particular clothes, so you will send it to them. That is e-commerce. E-commerce basically is selling products or services. Services like have you heard about the app called Fiverr? Like somebody needs
Fiverr, Upwork. Yeah.
So let's say somebody requested to you, make a speech for me. I want to give a speech at that particular occasion. Can you write it down, and I will pay you certain amount of money to your account. So that will be registered on your account once you make this. You email the speech to them, or different whatever source you send it to them, they will pay it to you in your account.
Right.
So that's what is e-commerce is.
Right, Mr. Shehzad.
Yeah.
So how did you thought about podcasting? How did you went in this career, just like me?
Podcasting, basically, I'll tell you what it is. I was 2020. So I was suddenly listening about when the coronavirus was on a hype. So I was saying, let me research about coronavirus. So what I did, basically, I was listening different people. They're giving different opinions, suggestion about it. So I get to come to know Patrick David. He's an entrepreneur. He's very famous. So he has an insurance business. So I start listening his content. When I started listening his content, there is a person who is a good podcaster. His name is Omar Altar. He lives in America. He's basically an Egyptian. So from there, the inspiration came in, and I started. I said, you know what? I'll start podcasting and connecting with people. My way to look at it, networking purposes. So I connected with the influencer, entrepreneur, singers, many different genres of people because of my podcasting.
That's a great thing. Same thing happened with me.
Yeah. So, do you want to ask any other question about me?
I think it's inshallah in the next session, whenever we're going to do a next podcast series. Sure.
Yeah. I told you I came in cryptocurrency to passive income. Just take 1 minute to just tell you, because the thing is 9 to 5. 9 to 5 doing is just go on to your job and do the similar thing. You will never not get a better result. So cryptocurrency or investment in stocks on premium bonds, it's all different, where you can get a life-changing amount. If you know,
Right.
Shiba Inu was the coin last year, nobody took any look. It's called meme coin. Like it could be on anything somebody made it for, like they put a picture of dog or cat or anything. It's a meme coin. It's not an actual coin, but that coin made people billionaire. The investment is only $8,000, so you never know what you can get, and a lot of people become millionaire like that. And investment in stocks and exchange, if you know about it, that makes you financial. That will get you financial freedom. And I want to clarify on a financial freedom one thing. People think that financial freedom mean that you have billion in your account. No. Let's say you earning 10,000 rupees every month, and that 10,000 come month after month, year after year, like a property you have, or you have a restaurant. That money is coming in. People are working for you, or you do self-employed. That is your freedom. You don't need to think about where the next pound or rupee will come. That is financial freedom. Okay, so now I come up to you. Tell us about yourself, please.
Well, I am Dr. Ilsa Shahzad. I am pursuing my medical career that I'm also proud of, but there's another career that I switched into, or you can say diverted into, is that the career of podcasting, the career of photography, videography, and blogging. All those stuff I'm just taking it ahead with my studies. As you all know, medical is a very tough field to choose, and then choosing such things, making them parallel, going them side by side, it's something very inspiring for me, and I'm very happy that I can do justice with both of the fields, with the medical profession and with my podcasting and digital profession. I'm a digital influencer, basically. I'm from Quetta, Balochistan. It's a province of Pakistan. Balochistan is a province of Pakistan. And the basic reason to join this e-commerce, this e-digital voice, podcasting, anchorship, whatever you may call it, everybody has different names for what I do. But I like to say the main reason which I came on the camera, there are very less people. I'm the first podcaster of my province in Balochistan. The reason I came on the camera is that I wanted to highlight the social issues and the social problems and their solutions, what people are previously afraid of speaking, talking, seeing, and acknowledging. So that was the reason.
That's obviously a good reason and good cause you started your journey.
It's not about.
Okay. So yeah, it is a good thing. I had a lot of things Balochistan, but the thing is, I don't get into too much into the political part of it, because if you go to clubhouse, everybody's talking, but nobody's taking action. So, and again, what I think. People said, if we come in a political power, what you can do at this precise moment, you can change the complete, you can change everything completely. So there was a lady. I'll just make a brief story I will tell you. And she has
Right.
when
Do
she
you
was
want some spaghetti?
no, no,
Do
no,
you
no,
want it?
no, no, no.
Thank you
That's
so
fine.
much.
You
You
eat
can
it.
carry on.
So what
Okay.
it is,
Yeah.
it is like that lady was when she was pregnant, because that she was thrown into the like a stable of cow, where the cow stays, and she saved that cow, and then the baby born there, and she carried on. She thought she will help other people. Now she has her organization which she's helping a lot of ladies who is needy, required help. So it can start from a very small point, and then you can take it from there wherever you want to do it. It's not necessarily you have to be in a political prime minister or any minister. You can do the things which is in your hand. You can do them.
That's what I try to explain people, that right now I have the power of my voice to change, to speak about the things and to be the change which I want to see in the world. Right now I just have this voice power and I think it's a very strong power. But in future when I'll have some political power or financial power so that I can help other people just like a philanthropist, that'll be a major success in my career, inshallah. But I want to tell before prayer hand that humanity is a religion. You don't have to be of the same caste, same religion to be the one thing. From start of my point, at the point where everybody wanted me to become a doctor, in our Desi culture, a woman is seen to be a doctor and fantasized just like that. So I also went in this profession because of that fantasy on which the society pulled on me. But then I thought, no, I want to be a power, a voice power. I want to be an anchor. So at the current moment, it was not possible for me to become an anchor with becoming a doctor. That's not possible. So that's why I started listening to a guy named Junaid Akram. He's the biggest podcaster and the first broadcaster of Pakistan. I find him very interesting. His influential talks, his positivity, his way of seeing things as it is, not coating them, not sugarcoating them, not hating if it's not had to be hated. The reality, the true face, the true reality of a picture. The both sides of the picture he used to show in his voice via videos. He is a YouTuber, probably one of the biggest YouTubers, or one of the YouTubers who are having a large range of audience. That's Junaid Akram. So when I saw him, I said, I have to do such things that people can have an actual difference feel in their life. I want to be that change via my tongue, via my talks, via my positivity.
Yeah, absolutely correct. So did you face any challenges and difficulties while pursuing your career in digital media and becoming an influencer, or your career becoming a doctor?
Well, my